Yo, Surgay.
Okay, good morning. Today we are at Milagrosa Elementary School, Santa Fe District. We're giving food to the children as part of our school feeding program. We feed our 107 learners. Thank you so much, Salt and Light Ministry. Thank you so much, Salt and Light Ministry. Good morning, everyone. Say good morning. Good morning. Okay, so today we are again at Milagrosa Elementary School, Santa Fe District, Santa Fe Leyte. This time we're distributing and giving champorado. Wow. Champorado to our children as part of our school feeding program. This is our fourth feeding. We feed our 107 learners. Thank you so much, Salt and Light Ministry. Everyone, yay! Hi!
Good morning, Pastor Guy. I will give you the update of the church building. Last month, I bought the angle bars. And also last week when I received the 10,000 from you, I bought this heparins and also this 1 by 1 angle bars, also flat bars for gutter. What we need, we are asking for your prayer. Include us in your prayer that the Lord will provide the need of this building. As of now, we don't have the budget of the roof. We don't have the budget. That's why I ask you prayer that the Lord will provide the need of the roof of this church building that we build. Include us in your prayer that the Lord will continue to provide the need of this building. So thank you, Pastor Guy, also to the Salt and Light Ministries for the blessing that we receive from you. Thank you so much. It is a great help for us. That's all. This is an update that I have this day, August 8. So may the Lord bless you. Hallelujah. So thank you, Pastor Guy. God bless you all. These are bag of cement and the tiles for flooring of the porcelains. This is the children's homes.
for the churches.